Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable autoplay on Instagram. So if you guys are wondering a specific way or method to disable autoplaying on your Instagram application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So essentially, once you go on over and scroll through your Instagram feed and you come across a specific reel, it automatically plays for you like this. So what can we do in order for us to disable this? Well, easily, what we could do is to go on over and tap on our profiles over here in the lower corner, and then tap on this 3 lines option to access our settings. Once you're here, I want you to go ahead and access your account. And if you cannot see the specific setting regarding your account, one easiest option we could also do is to just do a quick search for our account settings. Now this is going to show us these options. Now what specific setting that we are currently looking for is actually the cellular data usage. So let's search for data or cellular. And if in the case that you cannot see this specific setting on your Instagram application, just like what I'm experiencing right now, is what you could actually go ahead and do in order for us to also look for this specific setting is to go on over and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now what I want you guys to go ahead and look for is the option for you to access your data usage and media quality. So just tap on media quality. On the latest update, this will look like this and the data usage is going to be gone. But basically what we need to go ahead and enable here is to use less cellular data. So make sure that this is turned on, and basically what this means on your end is Instagram will actually use less mobile data and less of your cellular data when you are using the application. And what this means is this is basically going to give us much more better experience, especially if what we are aiming for is to disable our autoplay. So, well, common conception of this is that whenever you guys have this disabled, of course, Instagram is going to use more of your data, which is why it's going to allow autoplay. So when you have this setting enabled, basically, this is going to allow Instagram to use less data and in turn will not autoplay your videos altogether. And essentially that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.